Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to use the native Shopify order status tracking using the Ultimate Custom Order Status app on Shopify. So what this app does is basically allows you to create custom statuses to use inside Shopify, because usually you might have a custom different kind of production chain once you receive an order, something like drawing, or and then goes into printing, and then goes into out for delivery, and so on and so forth. And we know that how Shopify is very limited on how something like this works. So this is what this app allows you to do, and it sends out notifications so that your customers stay informed all throughout the order. So basically what we do is that once you install the app, we configure everything automatically for a custom order status tracking page that we send out. And you might not want something like that. You might want it to be integrated inside the Shopify status tracking page instead. And this is what we're going to do today. So before we start, you have to first, of course, have some statuses set up. Okay. And then all you have to do is go to the settings. You can go through this menu or down here as well. So once you're inside these settings, you just go all the way down to customer order tracking right here. So this is the option 1 that we're talking about. We send it out. You have the page, and then you have a preview here that you can see with some example data. And then we also have a order lookup page, so that if you want your customers to look up their order number, and then you send it to this page. And option 2 is the customer account extensions. That's what we were talking about. So basically how this works is that we have the Shopify tracking page, and then we have components that you can add to the page. Okay, so we have the timeline component, which is basically all the statuses laid out in order, and then your customers can see what step they're at. Or we have the current order progress component. So these are two. It's either inside the card or outside as a banner, and this basically shows the exact step they're on, and that's it. Okay, so in order to add these components, you just go and open the checkout profile editor. You can access this inside your shop settings down here, and then go to checkouts, and then it's the same thing, but this takes you directly to where we need to go. Okay, so, and there you go. So once you're here, you're gonna have all your apps here on the left side with their components they can add. So in our case, we're gonna add ultimate custom order status right here. Okay. So in my case right here, I'm using the dev version, so we're gonna go here. So but in your case, you're gonna use this. Okay, so we're gonna add current status. So this is one of the things we're talking about. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to add them to all three the cards. As you can see, you have 3 cards. You have return in progress, you have arrive or out for delivery, so, or you have the confirmed card. But only one of these cards will ever show up to your customer. So, but there are 3 different cards. That's how Shopify built it. So if you want this to appear during all 3 steps, you'll want to add them to all of the cards. Okay, there you go. You can move them, or you can click on them to delete them. Okay, and then the third card that we can add is basically the fourth one I meant to say is basically a banner. So the banner, basically, if you move it all the way up, this will appear before any of these 3 cards, any of the cards. So basically it will show up right up here. And the last thing that we can add is a timeline. So just right here, timeline goes here, and basically it shows all the statuses, and then it checks them as the statuses progress for the order. Okay, So these are all the components that you can show to your customers. You choose which one you want to show. And once you're done, just hit save right here. And you're gonna have it right here. Okay. So once you're done with that, you can go to the orders around here, and you can go and see the order status page of your customer just by going here. And so yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for your time.